So I want you to think about that moving forward in your business. How do you advertise to the right people, and what kind of offer do you need to have for it to be appealing to them? Because if you're saying, I can represent your best interest, or I can be a buyer's agent, they're like, no, thank you. We'll just keep shopping on Zillow. We can do it on our own. We'll call the listing agents, right? You've actually become a dinosaur realty, extinct through starvation. So this is what many are calling the holy grail for real estate agents. An unbelievable opportunity to pick up the right types of buyers and sellers in today's market. How do you attract the people in your local marketplace that are looking to buy or sell right now? Actually, in this quick video, we're going to talk a little bit about how you grab some quick buyers, including luxury level buyers. If you're not familiar with me, I'm Greg Luther. I coach about 30,000 realtors at all different levels all across the country, and I'm always bringing you some very, very good approaches, techniques, skills that you can utilize to generate some immediate buyers and sellers for yourself. Well, today, we're going to talk about something that Facebook has been doing to create a tremendous opportunity for you. You already know there's a lot of people on Facebook. You're probably on Facebook yourself. And of course, there's lots of ways to advertise on there, specifically to the designated people that you say. Facebook has lots of criteria about people. So whether it be you're advertising to luxury homeowners in your area, in your zip code, people that own horses in your zip code, people that have 5 or more cars in your zip code, whoever you want to market to, high end, low end, first time buyers, renters, that type of thing. But there's one new select that's working very, very well. And here's why. Because Facebook tags everybody that goes to Zillow. Let me give you that again. Facebook tags everybody that goes to Zillow. So that means everybody in your marketplace, if they've recently been shopping on Zillow, you can actually advertise to them on Facebook. You can run a very simple ad and put it directly in front of those people. So I want people in, within 30 miles of this zip code that have recently been to Zillow.com. Tremendous opportunity for you to pick up buyers and sellers. Now, you can narrow that down to wealthy individuals or first-time buyers or whoever you're looking for. Everything from the low end all the way up to luxury homeowners. But here's the cool part. If you know what kind of ads to run, and you put them in front of people that are actively shopping right now. This isn't social media marketing by any means, right? Obviously, you're advertising on Facebook, but you're advertising to people that are actually shopping on Zillow right now. So I want you to think about what this means. This is the same as, let's use an analogy. Let's say that you're a local car dealer. You can now advertise your cars to everybody that's on kellybluebook.com, right? The only reason anybody would go to kellybluebook.com is they're thinking about trading in their car, right? So the only reason someone would go to Zillow is either to find out what their home is worth or to shop for houses, which is generally the case. They're shopping for houses. So we could go to people that are shopping for homes 500,000 to 2 million if that's what we wanted. But we can market to specific individuals that are right now actively looking to buy a house. Of course, some of them already own a home. They'd be moving up to a larger home. Tremendous opportunity. What I would consider the holy grail of marketing, because now it's not throwing spaghetti at the wall and seeing what'll stick. It's not advertising to the masses and thousands of people out there. All this is doing is advertising to those that are actively looking right now. So if you know what to do, you know what to say on the ad, you know how to convert those leads, next thing you know, by this time next week, you're meeting with prospects that are actively looking to buy and sell in today's market. You have ready, willing, and able buyers that are ready to write on deals. So this is an opportunity for you to start your advertising the right way. You can do it, $3 a day or less for that matter on Facebook, and generate some good quality leads for yourself. I teach this stuff all the time at closingseverymonth.com. If you haven't been on our Wednesday webinar, you need to check that out, closingseverymonth.com. But be thinking about if Facebook has a select called, or an ad set is what they call it, called Zillow shoppers, why wouldn't you advertise to them? They're actively looking right now. So the key is, what kind of offer can you put in front of them? You can't just say, hey, if you need a buyer's agent, I can help you out, right? You have to have some good opportunities for them. As an example, stuff that's not available on Zillow. Do you have that, or do we need to create that for you? I teach a lot of that at closingseverymonth.com. You know, how do we use an unlisted, a list of unlisted properties? How do we get access to unlisted homes that we can provide for them? Well, FSBOs are unlisted. Expireds are unlisted. If you go to homepath.com, there's a whole bunch of properties on there that are the IRS seizures, they're on there. HUD properties you can get prior to them going on the open market. These are all unlisted homes that they can't get unless they start working with you. So imagine you had a little Facebook ad that you were running in their newsfeed that said, gain access to unlisted homes in this zip code, and you market it to people in that zip code that are currently shopping on Zillow. And it costs you like 10 cents a person to get it in front of them. What kind of an opportunity is that for you? It is truly the holy grail of marketing. We have agents all over the country that have been doing this for the last few months, and they're doing extremely well with it. They're getting a large number of closings. I actually just got off of a video conference, hence the reason for the jacket today. I just got off a video conference with a couple of agents that we were interviewing about how well it's going for them, and now they're in a position they need to hire buyer agents. They can't keep up with the business. They have to hire some buyer agents. So tremendous opportunity for you to really grow your business here if you know who to advertise to and what to advertise to them. I think you'll find that as you start using some of these tools that they have available for you, I don't care if you've got $10 in your pocket. It's very simple. That's 3 or 4 days of marketing specifically to those that are shopping on those websites right now. They're looking for homes for sale. So I want you to think about that moving forward in your business. How do you advertise to the right people, and what kind of offer do you need to have for it to be appealing to them? Because if you're saying, I can represent your best interest, or I can be a buyer's agent, they're like, no, thank you. We'll just keep shopping on Zillow. We can do it on our own. We'll call the listing agents, right? You've actually become a dinosaur realty, extinct through starvation, right? I call them dinosaur real estate agents. They keep doing it the same way, and they wonder why nobody wants it, because nobody wants a buyer agent anymore. So unless you have something that's appealing to them, as an example, gain access to unlisted homes here in this zip code, they're not going to be working with you. So let's get that ad together. Let's run it on Facebook specifically to those that are shopping on Zillow.com right now, because we know those are the active buyers and sellers. Hopefully that's helpful for you. Go to closingseverymonth.com to register for our Wednesday webinar. If you have any questions, you can reach out to me. GregLutherCoaching.com is our website. And shoot us a direct message here. Whatever I can do to help you in growing your business. But look, you don't exist in the marketplace if there's not people every single day coming into you because they really like your offer. The biggest thing you're fighting with is obscurity. Right? We're obscure in the marketplace. Nobody knows who we are. So you can fix that by having a great offer and putting in front of a great list that's motivated and actively looking now, not future business down the road. I'm talking about right now closings. This is a great way to do it. If I can help you in any way, reach out to us. Shoot us an email here, comment to us here, like the page, follow the page. We have lots of information to help you in growing your real estate business. So have a profitable week. I'm Greg Luther, and we'll talk soon. Bye-bye for now. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that video, and listen, we've got a lot more information for you to help you with growing your real estate business. We load new videos nearly every day, and I want you to have access. So you got to do 2 important things. It's both totally free. Number 1, I want you to subscribe to this channel. You'll see the little subscribe button for you to click. If you don't have an account with YouTube, set it up. It's totally free. You got to subscribe to this channel. And the most important factor, you got to ring the bell. Right next to that subscribe button, you'll see a little bell to turn on notifications. That will let you know every time I load a new money-making video to help you with growing your real estate business. Subscribe and make sure you ring the bell. We'll see you in the next video.